How to reset your forgotten Telegram password. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pippin Bastard, and today I'll guide you on how you can reset your forgotten Telegram password. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up your Telegram application and tap on start messaging, and you want to head into the login page. You want to enter in your phone number, your country code first, and then your phone number. Make sure you enter in your phone number correctly first, and here's my number, and I'll tap on yes and then tap on next, and it'll ask you for password. Now in case you forgot your password, what you want to do is you want to tap on the forgot password option that you can see at the screen. You want to simply tap on that particular option, and it'll ask you who have sent the recovery code to the email you provided. So basically, when you create a password, it'll ask you to type in an email account, right, as backup email accounts. So basically it will send a code, recovery code, to that account. Tap on continue and go ahead and get the recovery code. You can see I've already got it. So once you get the recovery code, you'll be good to go. It'll ask you to set a new password. If you don't want to set password, you can simply tap on skip and you can continue, and you'll get logged into your account. So this way you can reset your Telegram forgotten password. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.